Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to change your background on Brave browser. So in order for you to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up a new tab and click on new tab over here at the top. Now, once you are on the new tab, as you can see, you will have the gear icon over here on the top right corner. So click on that and you will have your background image. So you will have an option to not show any background images and you can turn it on. And from here, you could have show new page tab ads. So you can turn this on as well. And you will have brave backgrounds, solid colors to every color that you want. And you could also go ahead and go for different categories like gradient over here. Now, if you want to upload your specific photo background on your Brave, you could also do that by selecting this one, upload from device. And from here, just simply select the picture that you want to upload. So for example, I'm gonna go for this white brush stroke texture background. And from here, it will automatically be applied once it is uploaded. And from here, as you can see, we have uploaded my own background into Brave. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.